Good morning, dear students. Today I will take revision from chapter 14. Name of the chapter 14 is the forms of water. Forms of water. You know that water is the only substance which exists in three forms, that is the solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. And solid is the ice and liquid is the water and gases the steam. Water is exist in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. And we see these three forms of water in our daily life. All three forms of water are useful. Fill water in an ice tray and keep it in a freezer of a refrigerator. Take it out after 2-3 hours, and after that you will see that water in the tray changed into solid ice. When you have to take water and keep it in the refrigerator, then you will see that water changes into the ice, that is the solid form. And then take an ice cube from the ice tray and put it on a kitchen slab, and what do you see after some time? You will see that ice cube it changed into liquid water. And then boil some water in a kettle, and what happens when the water boils? You will see that on heating water starts turning into gas, and this gas is called steam or water vapor. So water changes its form. How it changes its form? So you can see that ice on heating, ice that is the solid, on heating, it changes into the liquid. It changes into the liquid, and this liquid again on heating changes into the steam, that is the gas, and then this gas on cooling changes into the water, that is the liquid, and on cooling it changes into the ice, that is the solid. Water changes its form. You can see that ice solid on heating it changes into the liquid, and liquid again on heating changes into the steam, and steam on cooling changes into the water by the process of condensation, and this water, that is the liquid form, on cooling changes into the ice, that is the solid form. So this is how water changes its form. What is the water cycle? The journey of water from the water bodies goes on, that is through the water vapor into clouds, and then back through rain to the water bodies. This is called the water cycle. In the water cycle process, three processes are there. First one is the evaporation, second one is the condensation, and third one is the precipitation. So the first process is the evaporation. And what is the evaporation process? The heat of the sun changes some water into water vapor. That process is called the evaporation. In the water cycle, first process is the evaporation. Second process is the condensation and third process is the precipitation. So till here water changes its form, you will take revision.